Everybody have a 2010 Mazda 3 Ford Focus, similar style car. Complaint is that the car will not start after filling with gas. Eventually it'll start, but it'll run rough, and after it runs for a bit, giving it some throttle, it'll run fine. And every time after that, it runs good. Originally replaced the purge valve, thinking it was stuck open. No change. Changed the charcoal canister, thinking it was clogged. No change. Finally changed the vent valve. No change. I was able to do it by reaching up. It's right above here. Or right on the other side of the subframe here. Anyways, still no change. Finally thought of and traced the line of the vent valve, which is what vents majority of the gasoline vapors when you're filling up. Trace the line up here to the filler neck. Next to the filler neck, there is this filter. You can see the filter media in there. I have this on backwards. I put it on backwards. Yeah, it's on backwards because I took it off and I blew into it opposite way of the arrow. And I blew this way. And an extreme amount of dust came out. Gravel road dust. This isn't driven on gravel roads often at all. Here's an example of, and this is like after I'd blown it out with the air gun. Just all the dust that came out of the filter here. So to get this off of here and take it and clean it, blow it out, disconnect the hoses up and down. It sits up here. I just wiggled it back and forth until the bracket broke off, and then I'm just going to zip tie it back. If it's sufficient. Yeah. Hopefully it saves you some time and headache.